Greetings to you all and welcome once again to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. Today I will show you how to do these beautiful pieces of steak, ribeye steak. And remember, I am doing a series to encourage and inspire students to cook their own food. So I have chosen steak today because it is quick, easy and really tasty. So why don't you come over? Let's talk about the ingredients. Now over here I've got 3 pieces of ribeye steak. I love them because they are quite juicy and tender when you cook them. You've got some salt here, black pepper, mustard, and here is my exotic peri-peri sauce. It is homemade and I'll be sharing a link below on how to make yours. So please do click on the link. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put everything here in this little bowl. Then I'll add my ingredients. I'll mix thoroughly and set aside to marinate. You could leave it to marinate for a couple of hours or if you have time for 24 hours. Give it a good massage. 1 hour is up and I'll be cooking my steak now. You can do the steak on a fry pan. I'm going to do it on a griddle pan. You could equally use an oven, an air fryer or a barbecue. The choice is yours. Another thing I like to add is that if you're not big on seasoning or spices, you could simply season your steak with black pepper and salt and it will taste good. However, in exotic flavors, I love to show you how to season your food. Make it tasty and full of flavor. Right, a bit of oil in my griddle pan, which has seen better days but still does a good job. And once it is hot, you just put it in. You put your pieces of steak. Ensure that the pan is really hot before you put your steak. Right, all set, let's go. So, there you go. You want to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you flip it over and maybe another 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how you want your steak. Some people like it rare, some people like it medium, and some people like it well cooked. So again, your call. Time to flip them over. I am so excited. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Making me hungry. Right, so guys, we'll give it another 2 to 3 minutes and then food will be ready. And if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up as well. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. I love you very much, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Remember, I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Take care, guys. Much love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.